There are 5 steps to showing your work on a multiple choice question. First, you're going to read the question stem and highlight or underline keywords or phrases in the question stem. Second, you're going to break down those highlighted or underlined words. Third, you're going to analyze any charts, graphs, or passages given to you in the question. Fourth, you're going to read each answer choice and determine if those answers are true or false. And last, you're going to choose the best answer.
The list shows the platform of one of the first 2 political parties. Which individual is most likely to support this party? The next step in this process is to explain the key points of the question.
So, the key point of the question is the first 2 political parties. I know that one of the political parties is the Federalists. So what I'm going to do now is write down everything I know about the Federalists. One of the things I know about the Federalist Party is they are all wealthy business owners. The next thing I know about the Federalist Party is that they are in support of a national bank. The Federalist Party also supports loose interpretation of the Constitution. The Federalist Party also is in support of protective tariffs. And finally, the Federalist Party is in support of a strong central government.
I know that the second political party are the Democratic Republicans. I know that the Democratic Republicans are the complete opposite of the Federalists, so they are supported by farmers. They have a strict interpretation of the Constitution. They are against a national bank. They are also against a protective tariff. And they have a weak central government. Now that we have broken down the question, we are going to look at the chart and apply our knowledge that we just used to break down the question. When we look at the chart, we see 4 main points. The first one would be support for a strong state government, opposition to the creation of a national bank, a strict interpretation of the Constitution, and the opposition of a protective tariff. By looking at this chart, we both know that they're talking about a Democratic Republican. Now that we have looked at the chart, it is time for us to look at our answer choices and to rule out which ones do not pertain to the question.
Okay, so answer choice A says a factory owner. Being that as a factory owner, he or she is the owner of a business, meaning that they are wealthy owners. So we can agree that this person is a Federalist.
B says a shipping merchant. We can look at the requirements for a Federalist and see that a shipping merchant falls under wealthy landowner. But if we look at Democratic Republicans, they don't fall under the farmers, so we know automatically this answer is wrong.
Like answer choice A, answer choice C says a northern shop owner. Still, this person is a shop owner, so they are also considered to be wealthy, which is a Federalist.
And answer choice D says a southern farmer. When we look under Democratic Republican, the first point we wrote was they're farmers and supported by farmers, so therefore the answer to this question is D, a southern farmer. And that is how you break down a question.